What's up everybody, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be taking a look at the Apple Techwoven case for the iPhone 17 Pro Max. And this seems to be Apple's most hated case, aside from the fine woven case they had last year after they ended the leather cases. I really like this case. I know a lot of the issues that people are having with these are durability and how they hold up over time. I just got this case about a week ago. And I've had it on and off my phone since. I'm going to go ahead and throw it on here. You can see you get the little MagSafe animation there for the black case. But overall, I like the way it feels. I like the texture of it. It's very, I'm not going to say grippy, but it adds a good grip to the phone. It makes it, feel easy to hold in the hand. It doesn't feel like it's going to slip out, but it's not super, sticky or like a silicone case or anything like that. I really don't like the way the silicone cases start to feel over time and get kind of, gunky and grimy. So we'll see how this one holds up over time. But I do like the way the woven material feels. And it is a premium case with the aluminum buttons, all the way around. We've got your cutout here for your speakers, your USB-C port, and your microphones, all that kind of stuff. You do have your connection down here if you want to add Apple's little lanyard accessory or whatever that thing is. You can put that right there. That's what those are for. And those are, I feel like they're aluminum. They're kind of reinforced. They're not the same material as the edge there. So you don't have to worry about that ripping out super easy. And then turning it around, we do have a raised bezel here around the camera plateau. So it does not rock from the plateau. It is flush with the surface, and your cameras are slightly protected against putting them face down on anything because they're slightly below that edge. So pretty nice case in my opinion. I will leave a link on Amazon if you guys want to pick one of these up or check it out. I think Best Buy sells these as well. I've been having a hard time. I really like the green one with the orange 17 Pro Max, but I'm having a hard time finding really any other colors other than black. They seem to be sold out pretty much everywhere, Best Buy, Amazon, anywhere that's remotely easy to get them quickly and order from easily other than like Apple. But hard to find any other colors. They seem to be either out or just like straight up currently unavailable on Amazon. So I will link this, like I said, down below if you want to check it out. But it seems to be overall a pretty nice case as long as it's going to hold up over time. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.